cut that foot off.
Yeah!
Oh.
Swollen.
Yeah, he looks swole.
Did you decide against wearing your board shorts?
Yeah, they're just they're too big. They're tight around my legs but giant on the waist.
Zach was feeling self-conscious that people may notice he wore the same pants on many Tangents episodes.
Oh, we're twinning? They
Nerds! Sick shirt, bro!
No problem with that. No
Yo,
shame
what's
in
up
this.
with all the Velcro
John?
shoes people are wearing these days? Everybody's got that grandpa swag going.
Grandpa swag.
Yeah, come here. This is Maddie.
Now cut that foot off.
Maddie is barely 17, but he's got footwear style of an 87-year-old man.
Forever 71.
How's your catheter bag doing?
Give me that wallet.
You're gonna put it on over your
Yeah,
shirt?
put it on over the shirt. Double up.
You don't like to take your shirt off on
Double.
camera?
Has the internet seen you without a hat? Do they know we have the same hairline?
Wow, you are just putting him on blast right now. Fuck you, Vinny.
What are you talking about today?
Yeah, what were we talking about? I have no idea what we're talking about today.
Anywho.
Welcome to Tangents.
Woo!
Wait, you know what? I know something we absolutely have to talk about. Speaking of the devil here, Casey, who just walked in. Did anybody watch the bonus video where Kyle got his Corvette?
Yes.
Oh, dude. Could be worse. What do you see?
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. Body seems to be solid. No dents. Interior's pretty.
We need some
Yeah.
door panels.
Yeah.
So it scared me, right? Because like that video went up and we all look at the comments and we all kind of jump in on the comments sometimes. And I see a comment goes, at 053, worst thing I've ever seen on Hoonigan. And I was like, yo, what the fuck happened? Like, did we do something super embarrassing as a brand? Like, what did we do that this person is so mad? It was actually the worst thing that we've ever
Come here.
done on
Sit
Hoonigan.
right
Was it
here.
Casey on
It
camera?
was Casey
Casey,
on
come here.
camera
Sit
With
down
his
right
dad
here.
doing
jokes?
a handshake, fist bump type, some sort of weird hand
I was
interaction.
trying to be a gentleman and shake an older man's. I don't know.
Okay, here,
that went wrong.
let's-
That went wrong real quick.
How do you screw up a handshake like that though with an old man?
Look, listen. I
Roll
didn't.
to the tape. Cut to the tape now.
How's it going, Casey?
Casey, right here is where everything just goes to shit.
Hey, I'm out.
Nice to meet you.
Scrub that back. Play it back.
Hey, I'm out.
And who is this guy? This is Kyle's uncle.
This is Kyle's uncle.
See, I didn't see Kyle give him the fist bump, so I
Well,
didn't.
he went hard for a fist bump.
Okay.
But the lead up. There's like 3 missed opportunities.
Even when the hand finally makes full contact of giving the shake, it's a noodle. Yeah. You can see it is a past al dente noodle of just,
And then
my fingers crumbled. Like,
And then-
like you grabbed it like, and it was just, it was
Wait, let's do that.
like
Let's
trying
do
to
that.
hold a
Let's do
fish.
that.
It was,
and no,
and the hand just fell out like it was like made out of ice cream.
because I tried to like pull out of the awkward moment, and then he grabbed.
You
and
were
I
holding
got-
it.
No,
You're
no,
holding
he
his
grabbed
hand.
me back. He
Your
grabbed me
pull-out
back.
method.
Hold on,
is
we're watching it one more
horrible.
time. Fist bump. Kyle goes in with the bump.
See, this is
Casey
when I'm
goes
looking at the
in.
Corvette.
Right there, you switch it.
Look, I know.
It opens up. You close up.
Oh.
See, it was just.
You should have just done this. Two
Look at him. Look at you. Hold on. Wait. Look at. Oh man. Watch the look on this
I
guy's
know,
face.
he's very uncomfortable. Yes, I
Wow,
know.
you just.
Freeze frame that.
Oh,
so
look at that.
uncomfortable.
He's super done. He's not stuck.
He's just like, you know what? I'm gonna just turn around. You don't deserve this Corvette. I don't know the type of people you hang around with, Kyle.
All right, Kyle. We're gonna make you watch this cell phone clip, and you tell us how it makes you feel. This being your family member and all.
Yeah.
He looks away. He looks away for a minute there.
Bad
It's just like I
handshake.
can't believe.
All right, I set him up for failure though because I did the fist pound.
Uh-huh.
And so my uncle went for the fist pound and Casey wasn't looking at it.
Don't try to
No,
take the
no,
no.
no.
Casey didn't follow code. The first person to initiate the hand gesture sets the code for the next hand gesture. If you're shaking a man's hand, always keep distance between all 5 fingers when you go in for the shake. You know what that prevents? That prevents the this.
Yeah.
Awkward. That prevents the this.
Or
The
if
this,
you want to go,
the this. Don't do that. Do that. Go
I like
in-
jellyfish
go in for
stick.
the
That was the
hand
awkward
open.
or
part.
you know what you
Jelly-
want to do too.
Or
If
really,
you want to
which-
go all the way back old school, go for the wrist, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Just go
Oh.
straight into her freaking forearm. You never get confused. You're going in. It's power. You're connected.
Exactly.
I think I actually got a little skin taken off my arm, but
Good. Hoonigan comment of the week. This is on the HILUX episode. So this guy goes, Sean Gray goes, eBay turbos, blown up radiator, 11 different motors, convoluted icebox, doesn't give a single f. Is this dude Brad's long lost cousin?
I mean,
It could
they have a very similar look.
Probably engine number 11. I think I'm on transmission 11.
Wait, engine number 11?
Number 11.
How is that possible?
You blow up 10 of them, and then the 11th one is the one that you're left with.
yo, if you
Think
took
about
the
it.
T-bucket and then you took that dude's wide body kit, you actually have authentic New York City scaffolding.
We talked about this, but literally the worst thing I've ever seen from Hoonigan.
That's gotta be, that's the comment of the
That
week.
is.
Oh, someone said on Hertz staff inspection, I like how this video is deceptively edited to make it the viewer assume Hurt is actually wrenching on a car.
Hey man, what are you doing? You taking my job now?
You're fired, man. Why am I doing this?
Alright, Hurt. See you.
No, please.
Bye.
Stop, don't.
Burnout Kings.
What else is going on?
I'll tell you what's going on. 4th of July weekend and Burnout is back, baby! Yeah! America! Do it for the Patriots. Yeah, I was going somewhere with that, and I had an egg.
You try to bring football to cars?
No.
Go to the Burnout, we run over Tom Brady.
Tom Brady will be there. July 6th, we're coming back. We're bringing the Thunder. Last one, I'm sorry that I had to miss it, but I'm going to be there for this one.
You were missed. Well, actually, what's
Too much
rad though
energy.
about this event is we're gonna partner up with Fat Lace, which is like kind of like the polar opposite of who we are, because we just want to see people completely destroy their Thrasher cars, and these guys pretty much like build cars to park, and they're like beautiful pieces of art that move.
Well, I mean,
They're car show cars.
yeah.
You know, they're not gonna put them into the wall at
Well-
the Barnyard.
To be honest, I heard they have some people who are gonna come from the car show.
Dabble in
come
both?
to go thrash.
We're calling it the culture clash because it's two very different aesthetics of stuff that they're into, stuff that we're into. We're putting them all in one place. There's gonna be a big ass car show. We're still doing our thing in the Barnyard. We'll have a bunch of vendors, we'll have food, we'll have beer. It's gonna be an insane event, bigger than any of the ones we've ever done. And really, all of us are just gonna be in that parking lot trying to scumbag show cars into doing burnouts and donuts.
So that's what you need to do. You need to. It's actually a destination event for you. You need to like book it early. It's a holiday weekend. Come there, hang out, shine versus grind.
You get stuck in the line, it sucks. You want to show up early.
Just fly out here, figure it out.
Go, Chris.
It's gonna be insane.
I got
Or
every
we
card.
fly you out. Because we're also doing our email giveaway. And in that email giveaway, we're flying out you and a friend.
It's the worst route.
If you sign up for our newsletter, for our notification squad, you are automatically entered into our giveaways. What's the next giveaway, Ron?
you and a friend get flown out, all expenses paid, to hang out with us at a Burnyard event. Which, next Burnyard event is the Culture Clash. So, pretty much free tickets, you and a buddy, Culture Clash. Just go to Hoonigan.com, you'll see this pop-up come up, says Notification Squad. Pop your email in, and you're entered. It's that easy.
Yep, coach tickets, and then you get to stay in Meth Row.
That sounds like a good deal, actually.
Keep it down! Yo!
Yeah, what's in there?
We launched the autofocus channel. Right now, we're following around Larry and all the stuff that he does. That dude is everywhere. I'm convinced he has clones. Larry does not sleep. That dude is on his hustle. He's covering cars all over the world. And autofocus is the place that you can see those cars and the process that he goes through of shooting photos of those cars.
I watched the SL video, the Gullwing.
That thing is
Ridiculous.
My favorite part of that video, Lewis and Shane are just playing Rochambeau in the background for way too long. And I just want to know what it was about.
This one's for a friend of mine. It's a 63 sunroof 356B car.
Oh yeah,
pretty
that's
rare.
gonna be really cool.
And then there must have been an argument because they stopped and then they came back together for another one.
But this one will have to be a little bit different.
Can't wait to see it.
It's probably my favorite part of the video.
Saw a 300 SL doing a burnout, and I was like, yo, this dude has balls to be doing a burnout in like a $1.5 million car or whatever.
If that was a real Gullwing, it'd be like $3 million.
Yeah,
For sure.
At least. Go check it out. Autofocus channel. Subscribe.
So many of you know that we have the series Carcane Rehab, which is where Brian is tasked with fixing or selling, well, his entire fleet of vehicles that he has here. Let's face it, there's what, 13 when we began? He sold 2 of them so far. One wasn't really even a car.
Three. Oh, rail car is part of the storage structure. That
Rail car got absorbed by the building.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's part of the
Structural.
building, yeah.
Rail car is now structural.
Rail car holds up one of the walls.
Yeah.
Hey, somewhere along those lines, he seemed to have stopped working on things and somehow acquired more vehicles. So this is a little segment we like to call Carcane Relapse. So as many of you know, our fearless leader, co-founder of Hoonigan, and tallest member of the team, Scotto,
That's not me.
has had a little problem in the past with collecting junk vehicles with hopes and dreams of reviving them, building them, whatever the hell it may be. And we started a series about it called Carcane Rehab. Now, the whole point behind this series was that Scotto and his wife Ashley were going to either fix, get running, or sell off cars in their fleet.
Multiple cars.
I think it was 13.
There's a lot.
Yeah, they made some progress. Scotto technically got the Audi running and driving.
Uh-oh, we're moving.
Well, that's it.
I haven't really seen it move from this point yet. And then it does seem that they got this Cummins diesel wedged in between the frame rails of the Rover.
It's in, kind of, as Ashley said.
And
Sold a couple things.
oh, they did sell a couple things.
Sold a couple cars.
Yeah, sold wood car, coal truckle.
Coal Truckle was one of the most beautiful that he has sold.
In the arms of the angel.
Unfortunately, like most addicts, old habits die hard. And as we found out, Brian had a secret stash of more vehicles. Dan, what do you think about this?
I think, how do you hide cars?
Some of you may have seen that over the last weekend, Brian was making posts about this because he was going to sell it. And then it seems that he fell back in love with it when he found out that it has a mechanical foot pump windshield washer sprayer.
That's it? That's all it takes to
That's
get
all it
back
took.
into it? You can see that there. Just give her a pump, man.
Yeah,
Oh, and it's filled.
it won't stop though. It's that one.
Hit it. Oh, it got me. It got me. I mean, this car is sweet though.
It's kind of sweet, yeah. It's sweet. It's obscure, like pretty much everything Brian loves.
Wait a minute though. Does he own this?
Yes.
I absolutely love this car. If he wants to sell this one,
Wait, it runs and drives?
I'll drive this one. Yeah, man, it's turbo.
Did we use this on something?
Scumbag Labs.
Oh, this works for us. We have trucks in here.
Anyway. We'd like to see Brian working on cars again. I think you would too. So we need all of you to get together, bond together. And we need you to comment below, Brian, please work on your cars. Let's get him back on the wagon, people.
We need more space in the shop.
Also need more space in the shop. Although I can't really talk because my truck's been taking up a bay for 2 months.
I've been hiding stuff too.
Is that it?
Yep, looks good.
Cool. Buy this new shirt.
And this one.
Or this one.
And this one. I liked it better when we were matching. Twinning was better.
Why couldn't the lifeguard save the hippie? Anybody?
Why?
He was too far out.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh boy.
We're just leaving it at one.
Casey.
That's it.